So here we have our mugs all lined up. Sorry for the loud noise in the background. I started my dishwasher right before I filmed this, so pardon that. So I have my black tea, green tea, oolong, white, and then my 2 herbal teas. So my 2 herbals are chamomile and ginger. My white tea is a cucumber white tea. I actually found that at Publix, so that was really helpful. Pure oolong. And then I have a classic chai, which is a black tea. And then I have a green ginger, which is obviously a green tea. So we're going to put the water in the mugs and we're going to come back for the results. All right, so we're looking at the color of the tea. And so you're seeing in the black tea that there's that deep amber color due to the tannins. And so obviously that's showing up really well. Not very cloudy at all, it's just a deep rich dark color. And then the green tea obviously is green. And then looking at the oolong tea, very clear, not as cloudy as I thought it was going to be. It's been steeping for a little bit. I also wanted to talk about the polyphenols within the teas. So the prominent polyphenol in green tea is the catechin. I don't know how to pronounce that, but basically it contributes to that flavor and the astringency. And then the tannins, like I previously talked about, contribute to the astringency and reddish brown color in the black tea. And then the theaflavins, and those are produced by the oxidation of polyphenols in black tea, and it decreases the bitterness of the caffeine that you find in that black tea. And so when tannins and theaflavins are added together, they kind of contradict each other, and so the theaflavins can kind of cancel out that bitter taste. And now after taking the tea bags out of the mugs, you're seeing that the white tea is the most clear. None of my teas really came out super foggy, so that was good. I did buy a lemon for that, so you know, if I decide to drink one of these and they are foggy, then I would add that lemon into it just to make that acidic environment, and so that cloudiness goes away. And then when we look at the color of the last 4, the oolong white and then the 2 herbals, this one, this is the green ginger, no, spice ginger, sorry. This one's really clear. It's almost clearer than the white tea, so I kind of wasn't really expecting that. And then the first herbal tea, which is the chamomile, that one's pretty clear too. And I have listed on the sheets of paper what the temperature is, just to make sure that that tea is the best it can be and that it has the ability to have the most flavor and the astringency and the aroma and all that kind of stuff. And so I'm gonna go over each tea and kind of what I wrote down on the table. So your black tea had the deep amber tannin color, strong aroma, strong astringency, and strong flavor. The green tea was greenish yellow, very earthy aroma and a very astringent taste. And it was kind of like, you know, in your gums and on the tip of your tongue. And it was very earthy and tastes very green, like I said. The oolong, very orangish color, very clear, wasn't foggy, very tea-like. The astringency wasn't too strong, and then the flavor was smooth, not super strong. Actually very much enjoyed it. The white tea, I've actually drank most of that, but very clear-like and yellow, very delicate and sweet in terms of the aroma. The astringency wasn't too strong, and the flavor was soft and delicate. In terms of the herbal tea, my chamomile tea, this one was super clear yellow. It wasn't as light as the white tea, but it's more floral tasting, and the astringency was not strong at all. It actually was kind of sweet, and I very much enjoyed it. It literally tasted like a flower. Very flavorful and very sweet. And then the ginger tea was very clear and yellow, like still had that floral taste, but not as much as the chamomile tea. It was ginger, spicy ginger, but it wasn't spicy or gingerish at all, really. So, and I also thought that the astringency was kind of strong. It didn't really have that gingery taste, like I said, but, and then for flavor, I just wrote that it just had this very herbal, somewhat spicy taste. Thanks so much for watching my video. I definitely think that my favorite tea out of all of them was the white tea. It just had the best flavor. It was delicate. It just seemed like you could drink it all throughout the day, and I will be adding that to my daily intake of coffee and tea. I do drink about 2 cups of coffee a day, so definitely enjoyed this lab, and thanks for watching.